Hi, I'm Paul Kimball, one of the authors of Chef Junior, and me and my sister Leah are going to give you a sneak peek of Margherita pizza. So we've already put the sugar, water, and yeast in and let it sit so that the yeast can become activated. So we're going to put the flour in while the dough mixer is on so that the flour can get incorporated correctly. We'll give it a break sometime so that the liquid can get mixed in with all the flour. We'll use a spatula to scrape the flour down to make sure that it gets incorporated fully. Now all the flour has been incorporated, and as you can see, it's mostly a ball. We'll let it knead the dough for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back. After the dough has been kneaded, we're going to add some olive oil to keep it moist while it rises. Alright, the dough's been sitting for 30 minutes, so now it's time to roll it out. Alright, we're going to bake these guys for 7 minutes at 450 degrees. We didn't have any fresh basil because it's spring, so we had to use some frozen basil, which doesn't look as good. It isn't the same thing, but, you know, it'll still taste good.